Hi guys, and welcome back to Stu's DIY. On today's video, we're gonna sweep this chimney and kind of go over the wood burner I have in my shop here. It's nothing fancy, but it works for heating up this 30 by 30 shop. So today we're gonna sweep this chimney and see what kind of stuff we get out at the bottom. And it also helps with fire prevention, right? Because we don't want creosote inside of our chimney, so it's best practice to clean this chimney before the first burn season and make sure it's all nice and clean. That way all the smoke and soot and everything will just go right out the stack, no problem. We don't have any chances for a fire. This chimney is double walled until it gets into the roof, or I'm sorry, into the ceiling. And once it goes through the ceiling to the burner, it's single wall too. But we'll get down there and look at it here in a minute once we're done with up here. When I sweep this chimney, I got a 6-inch brush I got off Amazon. Basically just put it on a drill, connect all the pieces together, and just keep spinning, and basically it will clean the chimney for you. Let's get into it. And I think this chimney sweep's about 30 feet long. It is pretty flexible, so we'll see how well it works versus a rigid pipe one. I guess that's what happens. You end up, if you put too much twist on it, you break it off, so that wasn't very smart. All right guys, let's head down, look at the wood burner. We're gonna go over my shop wood stove. This is a Vogelzang VG 1120, and I believe it's the BP model. I have the owner's manual here just to remember. There is a few models. There is the P, the L, the BP, and the BL. In this picture right here, it is this unit. It is a Menards special. I wanted to go with something a little nicer, but at the time, you know, just gotta do what you gotta do. If I, you know, continue to keep going and burning more wood over the years, I might upgrade this unit to something maybe a little different. It does have, this is a rock star. I mean, for a Menards unit, I think I paid 800 bucks for it, and it's got a 6-inch flue. I got a little flue thermostat here that reads your optimum burn level and making sure you're not sooting up or you're not burning too hot for your chimney. This is I think it weighed about 200 pounds or so. It's a good unit. The inside dimensions of the firebox, in case you guys are interested in getting one of these, is 1.3 cubic feet. So I think it'll receive about, a 15-inch log. You know, if you stack them in there real nice and split, nice seasoned wood. It's a nice unit. It does come with like a maple or hickory handle. That way you don't get burned, you know, by a metal handle. It does have this little ashtray here at the bottom, so that way the sprinklers and sparklers and whatever kind of ashes will fall on this tray versus falling on the ground. You know, I think the dimensions of it are depth's 21, width is 22, and the height is around 30 inches. So, you know, it's a real small unit. It can fit right here in the corner of the shop. Doesn't take up much room. You can still hang stuff behind it like a fiberglass ladder, stuff that's not necessarily going to burn. I did follow the offsets from the wall to the stove, and then on this side as well in this corner. That way, you know, obviously the plywood on the walls won't self-combust from the heat. There is another recommendation. You can go get that cement board. Instead of drywall, obviously it's like concrete board, and then you can put metal on the outside of it to give it a buffer, so that way that heat doesn't penetrate into the wall. My shop here's, I think it's 30 feet wide by 27 long. It does have plywood all around it. You guys have seen it in some of the videos, and it is insulated. I think he went with bat upstairs and bat in the walls. It would be nice to kind of blow in some more insulation up there, but unfortunately, I'll probably have a mice problem if I do. So, you know, I'll have to stay on top of that. But anyways, this is a good little unit. You know, I ran regular single wall stovepipe up to the ceiling, and it's 10-foot ceilings in here. And then I ran, you know, insulated flue pipe the rest of the way out of the ceiling and the roof. I wasn't able to video that. My dad came over and helped me, and he's not a big fan of being on camera, so, you know, it's something to definitely get used to if you haven't had a camera in your face. But hopefully maybe in the future here, my dad's willing to be more accepting to the fact of being on camera, because he's got a lot of skills, a lot of knowledge, and he's the guy who's pretty much taught me how to do everything. So, you know, hopefully you guys like this video, and hopefully we'll do a couple first fires for this season, possibly next week here in the Midwest. It's supposed to drop down into, you know, lower 20s, so hopefully we can fire this bad boy up, and hope you guys all enjoy it. Awesome. Leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, please, and help the channel, and we'll get some awesome content to you, and hopefully make this a successful channel. Thank you.